Okay, what we're going to do here is construct an amazing, perhaps perfect Italian sub using all ingredients that you can find at Aldi. Now, we have these deli rolls that appear to be about 6 inches. Importantly, we have these Appleton Farms gourmet deli selection, salami, capicola, and calabrese, prosciutto, Appleton Farms, provolone cheese, of course, pepperoni, because Italian subs can come with that as well. And we have lunch mate ham, honey uncured ham. Use whatever ham that you like. Now we know capicola is an important part of Italian subs. And then a lot of people add salami plus ham, or it could be salami plus pepperoni. A lot of subs, especially at these chain establishments, use 3 meats. But prosciutto can be found on many. And obviously, I said pepperoni and ham. So what we're going to go for is, hey, you know what? Put the salami, capicola, the hot calabrese, which is a type of salami, if my understanding is correct. And we're going to add the pepperoni to make it a fourth meat. Fifth meat, prosciutto. Sixth meat, we're going to add ham. So that's like everything that could possibly go in an Italian sub. I didn't realize I had those many different things going on. And we'll see how that goes. Maybe we can mix it up, but I think it's really cool that we had a prosciutto at Aldi's. Obviously, we can find a provolone, pepperoni, things of that nature. We got the red onion, tomato. We'll cut that up, put it on there. Salt, pepper, oregano, things you'll find at Aldi, expect to find. Extra virgin olive oil, and we have the red wine vinegar. So that's everything that you need. Oh, and the iceberg lettuce that we have as well. I just forgot to grab it out the refrigerator, and I'll grab it out right now. Okay, I pulled out the refrigerator, shredded lettuce, iceberg lettuce. That's everything you need to make an Italian. Let me go ahead and construct it and see what's really good. And I expect this to be really, really good. Okay, time to construct this Italian sub. Going in with the honey ham first. And we'll put some slices on the hoagies, the subs, whatever you want to call it. Grinder, I guess depends on where you're from. Alright, let's see how many we put on there. Put one. Put two. Tans, we'll keep it pretty slim, if you will. I guess we'll make. Alright, well, maybe make this the bottom still. Alright, put that there. Put that there. I'm happy with that. Alright. Let's see, we'll add some of these. That's gourmet deli selection meats. We'll Alright, let's see. This is salami, capicola, calabrese. Alright, this looks like salami. And we'll add a couple slices salami over here. One, two, we'll add let's get this one out. There you go. Let's see, peppered salami. Or maybe that's a capicola. I'm sorry, that's not salami. I think that's, what's that, capicola? Since it's pepper salami over here. We'll add that. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm just trying to take about half the package. Don't want to overdo it. I guess we'll probably end up adding 4 pepper salamis. And maybe this is the calabrese. But I mean, I'm sure people that are more familiar with Italian subs can figure this out. I'm just adding all the different meats and making something out of it. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm saying I'm adding about half this packet between the 2 subs. 1, 2. I think that's the hot calabrese, and obviously I can figure out the pepper salami. It smells kind of spicy, and I guess the other one's capicola. I don't know, but it all should be good. This processed meat. All right. Next, we're gonna add the prosciutto to make up this Italian. Prosciutto, let me get this out. These little thin things. Oh yeah. Prosciutto. Alright, so I can get this next piece out. It's like pulling out some really, really thin bacon. Okay, and we got it out. Put it on that. Put it on that sandwich right there. All right, that's cool. Throw up some pepperonis. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks good. Looks about right. All right. Can we get this closed up a little bit? Cool. I'm happy with that. Next, we're going to add the provolone cheese. I think 1 slice for each will do. We'll put the slice split in half. I mean, obviously, you can make these Italian subs any way you want in terms of amount of ingredients, amount of cheese, things of that nature, but we're trying to keep it traditional as possible with the thin meats, cheese on top, and then the vegetables and salt and pepper and olive oil and things of that nature. So, all right, let's see. Maybe the cheese will keep it right there. Try to keep the cheese more towards that. All right. Let's add in some red onions to both. Tomatoes. Made this slice a little bit too thick, but that's all right. We ain't adding much. Here's the tomatoes. Let's get this lettuce. All right. He's gonna turn out okay. All right. Let's add a little salt. Pepper to be added as well. Be a little more liberal with that. Oregano. Be a little more liberal with that too. Oh yeah, you can smell the salt, pepper, get that oregano smell. Smelling Italian. We got the olive oil Extra virgin olive oil. Where are they? I guess about a teaspoon each. Or maybe you can split the teaspoon between the two. I don't know. Not teaspoon for each. Well, not teaspoon, I mean tablespoon. All right. Y'all seen it go on there. And lastly, the red wine vinegar. This should be very, very authentic. Honestly, I make it extremely authentic for the cameras. Off camera, oh yeah, I can add my mustard and mayo onto it. But that's what we have right here. It's constructed authentically. I'm happy about this. Let's see, what else? I think that's everything. Yeah, this is everything. Look at these subs. All these ingredients, authentic Italian subs. Looks to be both about 6-inch subs. Yeah, I'm happy with this. And this is the third sandwich. Yesterday when I was filming, and I didn't realize afterwards I ran out of storage space after I constructed the Italian hoagie. So I couldn't give you my thoughts and my opinions on this Italian hoagie, Italian sub. So I reconstructed it next day. That's why you just see one here. But I will say that it was good. Oh yeah, look at that. All the all the ingredients. Smells great. Smells wonderful. I'm going in on this. Oh yeah. This is what's up. This is where it's at. Like I said, we got 6 type of Italian meats, if you will. Provolone cheese. And for the purpose of this video, I haven't put any mustard or mayonnaise on it because people want to see it authentic. But when it's off camera, I can do what I want with it. Salt, pepper, flavor the meats. Everything coming through nicely. Well, the vinegar's coming through. Pepperoni standing out. Really good sandwich. And obviously you can tailor the ingredients the way that you want it. I'm quite happy with this sub. Quite happy with this hoagie, grind, or whatever you want to call it. It's shutting your own Italian. Using all the ingredients is good. Probably be even better if I put it in a toaster oven to, heat it up and toast the bun, but as is, really good. It can compete with chains. You just gotta get your ingredient ratio right, if you will. As I say, authentic, premium, whatever you want to call it. 6 meat. A lot of places use just 3 or 4 max, but I got 6 meats on it. So yeah, that's the verdict. Try making your own Italian from Aldi's. You won't regret it. They have all the ingredients necessary. It can be exactly the way you want it. I'm happy with this. So yeah, that's the verdict. It's good, and it could be great if you get it exactly the way you want it. So yeah, that's how you construct an Italian hoagie, Italian sub, Italian grinder, Italian sub, using all these ingredients. You can't go wrong with this. You cannot go wrong. You can get the ingredient ratio wrong, but you really can't go wrong with this. I'm happy. Nice soft buns. Taste just as good the next day. Six meats, six Italian meats. Come on now. That's premium. Who knows how much you had to pay for that in person? This is a good thing, and that's how you construct it. And you can always do your variations on it. Kind of know people won't like it a certain way, but I just made it authentic. But I don't even need anything else on it from the mayo or mustard, even though I like to put it on there. But this is as good as it is, and yeah, off camera, I can add the mustard and add some mayo on it. But this is good. Iceberg Jim out. Deuces.